everybody, in today's video I will be reviewing the 8LW's Chesapeake & Ohio C-8 fireless locomotive. The locomotive comes packaged in a 3D printed little plastic container. The quality of the 3D print was amazing. There was no damage from the shipping either. Upon closer inspection of the model, I realized two things. There was some sticky weird substance, presumably leftover resin, on the side of the locomotive, as well as the headlight bracket being a little bit too thin and having a very small hole peeking through it. Problems that I fixed later on. Inside the locomotive body shell was a little plastic bag holding the steam valve connection. The locomotive does not come with a chassis, so you will need to source one from a Bachmann Porter 060 dock tank. Overall, I give this model a 9 out of 10. The only things holding it back from being a 10 out of 10 are the leftover resin and the hole in the headlight mount. When deciding a color for the locomotive, I decided to go with yellow due to the Pennsylvania Power and Light Company's fireless 060s being painted in a yellow paint scheme. The first yellow I used was Rust-Oleum's Summer Squash yellow paint. The shade of yellow I used was too light, so I decided to use a different color yellow. I ended up using Rust-Oleum's Golden Sunset Yellow.